How to fix couldn't send a message on Instagram. So one of the ways that this is happening to you, and the reason why this is happening in the first place, you will need to check on your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi connection is, not as powerful as any other connections, please switch to a better connection so you can send a message on Instagram. But if your connection is fine and still this problem happening to you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen and just go ahead to the App Store or Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version, because probably you were late on the latest update. So please make sure that you update it to the latest version so it can actually fix the problem. If you did and still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your screen, go ahead to the general settings. In the general settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the general. In here, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead to the iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the Instagram app, and from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into uploading the app. And uploading the app will free up some of the storage, unnecessary ones, inside the Instagram app. And what you're gonna do after you upload the app, you guys see the same button of the upload reinstall. Just go ahead and reinstall the app, and it will force Instagram to free some of the unnecessary storage and latest update as well. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you